No. Hello, hello. Test, test, test. Let me check if there is audio. There is. Perfect. Good. So there we are. Live stream about today's trades. Yo, what's up, René? I don't know what this message is in the chat. I don't really communicate on WhatsApp a lot with like viewers or clients. So if you're chatting with someone who has my name on WhatsApp, there's a high chance that it's not me. Hoppala, what's going on here? Okay, so what do we have? We do have trades today, of course, as every single day, I would say. And today is an interesting day. It's kind of mixed. It's very like there are a lot of positions open right now, which is yeah, it doesn't happen often. But the reason for this is that the indices, especially the big like stock market indices, came down over the last few, yeah, we can say weeks now, like 4 or 5 weeks. I don't know. It's going sideways down, and it could establish a downtrend here. We will see that. But for this reason, we do have 2 positions in DE40. Yeah, just because, as I said, the markets are coming down here and sideways more in this market for quite a long time now. And therefore, the Turnaround Tuesday strategy opened a position today, and it will be open, remain open until tomorrow evening. So this is why there is like this short position here, and also this long position, sorry, in DE40. This one is the normal go long strategy that is open every single day, and this one highlighted here with magic number 7 is the Turnaround Tuesday strategy. And these strategies are both, or these trades are both negative, of course, because the day is negative. Then in US30, it's the pretty much the same scenario. I need to rearrange my monitor here a bit. So in US30, it's the same. If I make this like a full screen, if you're wondering why there are 3 positions, I can easily explain this. We do have 2 long positions. It's the same as I just explained for the D40 here also. Yeah, one position is the go long strategy position, magic number 2, and then magic number 8 is the Turnaround Tuesday strategy. And then there's also magic number 11 in US30, which is the range breakout strategy. So a lot of trades today in US30, 3 trades in total, and until tomorrow evening, the Turnaround Tuesday strategy and the range breakout expert advisor will work kind of as a hedge. So because of these 2 trades, there will be no change in the overall equity or performance of the account. But of course, the go long strategy is still there. And then also the Turnaround Tuesday strategy will not be closed tomorrow evening as the range breakout EA trade. So for this reason, the Turnaround Tuesday will stay active and open until tomorrow evening. So that's the chart US30 explained. 3 trades here, which is quite a lot. And then we have the usual suspects in US tech, go long, of course, like every single day. Then USD Japanese yen, GBP US dollar, Euro Japanese yen, and gold with the range breakout EA. And these are all of the positions explained. Currently, the best position is, as it is quite often, to be honest, the USD Japanese yen range breakout expert advisor in profit with 900 euro at this point. And then also euro Japanese yen had a nice breakout here, should also be in profit by, yeah, here we can see more than 200 euro. GBP US dollar is down a bit, about 200 it should be. I don't know, where is it here? Yeah, it's 160 down right now. And then gold is around break even with a loss of currently 20. Oh, and one position I forgot, I didn't even realize that there's a euro USD position. Also open a short position, 100 euro in profit. So every single strategy expert advisor executed a trade today. The only exception is the DE40 with the range breakout EA, where the range filter prevented a trade today. So very, very active today in this account. It's not very common that there are trades in almost every strategy, so quite a interesting day. And then also in about 13 minutes, a lot of these trades will be closed. Yeah, all of the currency range breakout trades. So from this point on, in about 10 minutes, it will be a lot more relaxed. And yeah, most of these trades, or a lot of these trades, will be closed. So let me have a look at your comments in the chat. If you have any questions about what I'm talking about here, like the account, the trading in general, or anything else, yeah, about trading or automated trading, let me know in the chat. How am I doing? I'm doing good. Thanks for asking me. Does stagnation period matter for you to build the portfolio? Not really. I mean, stagnation period is not bad. I prefer this over a drawdown period, obviously. So I'm not really worried about stagnation periods. It's not a problem at all. It's completely normal. Hey René, have you ever faced the issue of your EA randomly stopping to process the on-tick function? I think I never had this, to be honest. But maybe if your system is facing too much workload, then it might happen. I don't know exactly how it works in the background of the MT5. I think I never had this issue, actually. And then how do you end up with ranges and trade closing time for range breakout bots? Yeah, it's a lot of testing and optimization. And it's a very simple process. I just do a lot of tests, I just do a lot of optimizations, and then I also think about like what settings are logical or seem to be logical to me, and then these are the ones I use. Then I can also update you about one more account that I trade here. I announced this project last time already in the live stream. Here I'm using a new expert advisor, the manager EA, and yeah, I traded two setups so far last week. On, I think it was Friday, I realized the profit in USD Japanese yen, which was a profit of around 100 euro. In this chart, I used the zone recovery strategy, and then now I have two setups currently for the grid strategy. First one is the Euro US dollar, where I set up a sell grid, so you can see it here still, and my goal is to make at least 50 euro, and currently this trade is around 30 euro in profit. But even if the price goes up, then it will activate the grid orders, and then it will also of course trail the TP for this grid. So that's what I do here. And then similar approach, I want to follow this, or I would be open to follow this buy trend that we see in USD Japanese yen right now. So here I set up a long grid, unfortunately not triggered yet, but I'm waiting for the price to come back down to these highs here, and then I want to start opening a buy grid. Yeah, just in the same distance I will place buy orders here, and I want the market to go up then before it drops here below this big yeah, kind of support level. So that's the idea here. And also in the background, it's not only about this yeah, buy trend idea, but also I checked, of course, before I placed the position, I checked the swap rates, and we do have quite a strong or big yeah, I don't know how to say, like a swap rate for buy positions in USD Japanese yen. So I would not be sad if this strategy opens 1, 2, 3, or 4 buy positions before it goes up, because then I can also benefit from this very strong, or from the payments I get from the buy or long swap here. So yeah, these are my 2 setups currently in this account. And yeah, I'm just playing around a bit with a tool, figuring out new strategies or ways to trade, like semi-automated. So that's these are the ideas that I currently trade in this account. Also, I already loaded all of the currencies here, the major and minor pairs, and I will do some more. Maybe I will write an expert advisor these days that will show me the pairs with the highest swap rates, so I can use this strategy here that I use here in these 2 charts in even more charts, and yeah, benefit from first of all positive swap rates, and then also from existing trend movements. And yeah, it's just something that I came up with, and of which I think it could be good in the long run. And unfortunately, the indices are coming down. The DE40 is generating a lot of losses right now because of the double position. And this chart alone is making all of the losses today so far, around 700 or close to 800 now. But yeah, that's the update, I guess, on trading. And if you have questions, let me know. I think I will quickly get something to drink here. So back, and there's one question. I want to use range breakout for FTMO on the gold and UJ, no range, no TP with your settings. What do you think? I wouldn't really recommend to use it with FTMO because I had some issues in the past using it with FTMO. So yeah, just yeah, you can make your analysis, but I think it's not good to use public strategies with FTMO at this point. Makes it easy for them to find something in your accounts that they don't like. So there are 5 minutes left until the currency trades will be closed. Wouldn't be too bad at this point, to be honest. Most of the charts are looking really crispy, especially UJ here. Also Euro Japanese yen. Maybe I will just create the, can I move it a little bit like this? Maybe I will just create the program in the meantime I was talking about that can show the swap rates. What makes sense here? Do we use a script for this? Maybe script would be enough. Show swaps, something like this. And then we can write a simple program that shows all of the swap rates for the symbols. Symbol axis, symbols total. I think this will give us all of the symbols in the currently selected in the in the market watch. I don't use this function often. Yeah, the market watch I small I plus plus, and then symbol. How do we get this symbol? Symbol name. And then we can just print. I think it's pretty straightforward. We should get the swap rates. Is it a integer? Let me check. Swap long symbol info double. Not sure if it's double or integer. Symbol swap. Yeah, swap long. And we want to have the short swap also. Short. This will give us the swap rate for every symbol. So symbol long double to string swap long. Let's get the symbol digits also. And we want the short swap. Double to string, swap short, digits. So this program or script I can use then to find markets with good trading opportunities. What's the problem here? Wrong parameter count. Probably have to add if it's selected. Okay. This If we go down back to the MetaTrader, let's check out if we have some good swap rates here. Excuse me, it's not working, or what is it? There it is. Okay. So yeah, that's what I said. Like USD Japanese yen has a very big long swap rate. Yeah, gold is interesting for short trades, but I'm a bit afraid to go short in gold because, as you maybe know, gold is very strong for a while now. And by the way, in the time when I wrote the script, the trades were closed. So let's have a look at the history. Yeah, I told you already that the currency trades will be closed. So we saw 4 trades being closed here. Euro Japanese yen generated 290 euro of profit here with this buy trade. GBP dollar generated a loss, 40, not that big because it recovered in the last minutes, which is great. Then Euro dollar, 60 euro profit. And the best one here is USD Japanese yen, 720, which is overall quite a good profit in the currencies today, almost 1,000 euro of profit, mainly of course because of USD Japanese yen. But yeah, very satisfied with that. Unfortunately, we do have the trades in D40, which is eating all of the profits. But yeah, let's see how it will be. As I said, like the turn on Tuesday trade also will be open until the end of tomorrow, so it will stay in the market, or the position will stay open a little bit longer, so it could increase the losses, unfortunately, but of course it could also reverse and then be positive maybe by the end of tomorrow. We will see. So let me check the comments real quick in the chat. Do you recommend any prop firm? No, I don't recommend anything. René, wie viel funded bist du gerade? Ich bin gerade überhaupt nicht funded und sehe es deswegen auch nicht als realistisch an, 1 Million zu haben in kürzester Zeit, weil ich auch nicht wirklich mit Prop-Firmen in der nahen Zukunft arbeiten werde, wahrscheinlich. So here we do see, trading opportunities just from the swap rates would be Euro dollar maybe. I'm using the setup here already. USD Japanese yen, trying to get into it at the moment. Then, okay, we have Euro GBP with a positive short swap rate. We do have gold. I talked about this, but I don't know if I want to have like a long-term short trade here, but would definitely be an option because the swap rate is really, really nice. Then we do have Euro Japanese yen. Here I could look for long setups. It's maybe a little bit like USD Japanese yen, of course, could be correlated, but it's definitely worth it to have a look at this, in my opinion. So if we have a look at Euro Japanese yen also, yeah, I mean, the market went up quite a bit. Here I could set up the same trade pretty much that I just set up in USD Japanese yen. I would think about this. But I don't know if it would be a little bit too much leverage on this idea, but it's definitely something I will check more. Oh, I have gold euro here. I didn't even know that I have it selected here. Wait, where is it? XAU euro. I don't really have it here in the market watch, do I? I don't know why it is printed here somewhere else. Interesting. But yeah, we can also include this. Euro Australian dollar short trades would be valid and then USD Swiss franc and Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Could look for long trades. Yeah, I think I will maybe set up some more grids and then see how this will go. GBP, Japanese yen, also very good opportunity for long trades here, just by evaluating the swap. So there are a few charts where I would look for ideas at this point. I think I will do this later today. And especially, it's of course interesting to look for these setups on the beginning of the week, because on Wednesday we have the increased swap rate, like 3 times the swap, which is especially interesting if you're looking for some gains from the swap. So then you can make an extra or generate an extra big amount of money with the swap rates that are paid. I got out of the currency trades quite good, but unfortunately the 40 is not stopping the short movement. Luckily gold is also coming down a bit. Here the trade will be closed in 50 minutes, around 50 minutes. And yeah, then also, of course, I do have my other project where I trade the Fivers 100k evaluation still. It's going on for a while. Today it was, of course, also a positive day, especially because of USD Japanese yen and Euro Japanese yen, which is great. And for this reason, it's now up 2.5%. which is really good, but yeah, it's still far from the 8% profit that I need to pass this. That's why I'm not really talking about this, because it's just nothing's happening. So I don't really have anything to talk about. But if something will happen, like if I pass or if I fail this, of course I will give you an update also here on the YouTube channel. So yeah, these were some updates on the trading, the ideas that I currently have that I want to execute in the future. And yeah, we'll keep you updated. I'm not sure if I will, maybe I will end the stream soon again. I just want to say hi quickly, update you with the current trading day and my ideas also for the new account here. But yeah, I think besides that, there's not so much I can tell you right now, and there are not so many questions in the chat. So for this reason, I think I will end already. The stream again was just a short stream, 30 minutes, but I think I was able to explain why we saw so many trades here and yeah, which strategies opened the trades. So if you missed my explanation at the beginning of the stream, you can watch the recording. YouTube will upload the recording once I end the stream, and then I will see you in one of the next videos or in another stream in the next days, I guess. So hope you have a lot of good trades, and yeah, as always, I wish you a very nice day, and I will see you next time.